Good morning students. In the last class we discussed about RMSA. Then today we discuss about the state policy on multilingual education in Odisha 2014. State policy on multilingual education in Odisha was constituted by OPEPA for bringing quality education to the disadvantaged group. In Odisha, tribal people constitute 22.13% of the total population. There are 62 scheduled tribes including 13 identified as primitive tribe. The scheduled tribe communities in Odisha speak 72 mother tongues broadly grouped into 38 languages. Keeping in view the large-scale learning problems among the ST children due to the language barrier they are faced in early education, several attempts were made to deal with the mismatch between home and the school language. In 1996, under the DPP in Odisha, early primers were prepared in 6 tribal languages. However, due to various problems, these are not put to use. In 2006, OPEPA decided to start mother tongue based on multilingual education in 10 tribal languages with the first batch of children under the program joining class 1 in the year 2007. OPEPA has taken up mother tongue based MLE as an innovative program in tribal education under Sarva Shiksha Abhijan. The program is currently implemented in 544 schools in 10 tribal language with 384 multilingual education teachers and 428 Shiksha Sahayaks. The program covers class 1 to class 5. So far, 33,355 children have been covered under the program. The program is to be extended to 1,000 schools in 9 tribal languages in addition to the 10 languages in the current MLE program. Since 2006, the MLE cell in OPEPA has taken up a massive task of planning and implementation of MLE program in Odisha, including identification of language, selection of schools, material preparation, teacher training program, operation, monitoring and evaluation also. Broad evaluation of MLE program in Odisha shows a high degree of success. Odisha was the second state in India to start MLE program and the Odisha model has drawn wide national and international attention also. MLE in Odisha has been found to have positive effect on children's classroom achievement, participation and attendance, community perception and involvement and teachers' attitude also. Mother tongue based education is now planned to be introduced in the early childhood. After getting some idea about the MLE program, then we come to know the objectives of MLE. First one is to ensure equity and quality education to tribal children. Next, to improve tribal students' reading, writing skills and learning through use of mother tongue in early grades. Next one is to introduce state and national language at early stage to mainstream the tribal children in statewide education system. The last one, to develop respect among tribal children for their language and culture also. Then we discuss the part of MLE, facilitation of MLE. The state government has introduced the Mother Tongue Based Multilingual Education Program, which is MLE, since 2007 at the primary level. For facilitating and accelerating this program, government have been pleased to decide as follows. First one is the MLE program in Odisha shall be continued and extended to all tribal children in the state in a phased manner. Next, the mother tongue or MT of tribal children will be used as the medium of instruction for the 5 years of primary education. Next, Odia must be continued as the second language subject from class 2 onwards. English is to be introduced as a language subject in MLE program from class 3. The tribal language may be used as language subject in post-primary levels starting from class 6. Next, eligible persons from community with fluency in the mother tongue of the children as well as competency in second language which is Odia and third language which is English will be accorded priority for recruitment as teacher in the local MLE schools. The in-service training programs of teachers in the MLE schools shall be within the provision of SSA and the RTE Act 2009. Reservations for training of ST candidates based on requirement of MLE teachers may be made in the existing elementary teacher training institutions in respective regions of the state. Next, MLE program will be implemented with an emphasis on sound pedagogic principles under the guidance of experienced pedagogy experts. Next one is all the language specific textbooks manuscripts prepared at the district level will be centrally reviewed and compared for uniformity in curriculum framework. Next one is cumulative school report or progress card will be prepared in the local language and shared with the parents. Then we discuss the impact of the MLE program. There has been an increase in attendance and retention of tribal students since MLE approach was introduced in schools. The use of mother tongue as medium of instruction in the classroom has also led children being more engaged in teaching and learning process, which is very much beneficial for us. Next one is MLE classrooms are lively and interactive by use of picture and artifacts from tribal culture. This familiarity led to a high level of belongingness and confidence among the students. Teaching learning materials concerned in the school were enriched by local materials. Local materials have also been used to set up tribal museums. This has enabled children to learn more about their own culture and language. After a brief discussion of MLE program, then we come to know the problems of MLE program. First one is the MLE program in Odisha, like any other good system of education, leaves scope for further improvement. The program itself has remained under the shadow of uncertainties due to the following factors. First, absence of clear long-term perspectives, inherent weakness in the nature of the program, difficulties in implementation, evaluation and monitoring problem, limitations of the current model of MLE in dealing with diverse linguistic context of the classroom. Thank you.